up, all the way up, Matt. Reel up, higher, Matt. Lift him up. Wait, he'll turn. Keep his head down. Get him. Oh, you didn't get through him. Oh, there you go. Nice. There you go. It's gonna run on you.
Oh, that came out.
It came out?
No, it didn't.
Okay. Oh, watch the kicker. Get that buoy around the kicker. I'm a terrible fucking recorder here. He's a keeper.
Yeah, nice fish.
Well, hey, we're a little rusty on the first one here, folks. Neutral, maybe? Neutral?
Yeah.
Are we? Okay. Look at him down there, dude. See him down there?
Nice fish, dude.
Woo! Alright, you take over. I'm gassing.
Where do I want to get him? Just right in the head. Anywhere's good.
Don't get the cheek.
Yep. Good.
Hell yeah, he got two.
Perfect. Dude, that's perfect size fish.
Dude!
Perfect,
Yeah,
perfect
dude.
size fish.
Stoked. Got a fish. Get the buoy in, dude. Get the buoy.
So
Dude, painkiller.
Ow!
Dude,
Yeah, dude.
so glad I got one, dude.
It's a goodie. Yeah, Maddie. Nice work, man.
So glad I got that. My farm's killing me, dude. Oh, that made the trip, dude. I'm fucking happy, dude.
It's beer time.
So stoked.
Hey, let's get back on it. There's
Yeah.
some more down.
Yeah.
There's another one down there.
What do I need to do? Just get that hook out.
You might just leave that leader.